Welcome to this video where we're going to be looking at the trains that I've caught during the month of October. So first it's off to Greenfoot level crossing on the 11th of October where we see 1Z32, 1450 Leicester to Inverness Statesman with 47828 and 614. Then we go to a busy day on the 11th of October, where first we go to Holytown to see 6K10, delayed 0818 turned up at 1008, Tyndrum lower to Millerhill Ballast job with 37175 and 685. Then to Polmadie where we see the return of the Statesman, running now 1Z36, 1348, Inverness to Leicester with the return of 47614 and 828. Then moving out the station and into the field, we see 1 Quebec 23 Darlington downsidings to Newcastle via Glasgow Queen Street, NMT with 43299 and 290. Then finally to end out the day we go to Inverness to see 6X35, 1634 Millerhill SS to Doncaster up decoy rail vac move. Then on the 12th it's off to Blyth where we see the NMT running again under 1 Quebec 24 now, 1443 Edinburgh to Slateford Depot with again 43299 and 290. Then it's to Prestwick Town on the 13th where we see 6S94, the 1837 Wembley receptions 1 to 7 to Prestwick BP Oil with 66793, taking more aviation fuel for the COP26 flights that would be coming in the next few weeks. Then after dropping its load at Prestwick, we would then head down to Paisley-Gilmer Street to see the light loco of 66793 working OS94, early 2016 turn up at 1918, Prestwick BP Oil to Polmadie Car MD. And then the last catch on the 12 would be 6M86 2007 Aberdeen to Workington with 7801. Then to the day after on the 14th, where first we would see 1H51, the 1236 Glasgow Queen Street to Inverness with 40 175 and 034. This is Stirling. Then it's to Camelin, where we would see first 4013 1257 Grangemouth to Aberdeen boxes with 68005. Then this is 6S36, the 1311 Dalston oil to Grangemouth in Ace tanks with 70802. Then it's up to Larbert to see 6S48, Port of Workington to Aberdeen Waterloo with 70801. Moving on to the 15s, it's now to Gales to see 6N47, the Prestwick to Grangemouth aviation fuel empties with 56105. Then, due to the electricity prices rising for freight operating companies, DRS started operating Class 68s and 66s on the Russell's Intermodals. So here on the 17th we see 4M48 had 68, 006 and 018 working it, running Mossend to Daventry, passing Cartland at 1637. Then on the 22nd, just before the sunset, we go to Carluke to see 4M11, the 1713 Coatbridge to Crewe modal with 90s 015 and 041. And then my last catch that evening would be 6S52, the 1758 Hunslet Tilcon to Mossend PD Stirling with 66.789. Then going back to Cartland for a busy day on the 23rd, where first we see 1S45, the 1248 London Euston to Glasgow Central with 391.19. Then this was 6S36, the 1300 Dalston Oil to Grangemouth Inverness tanks, again with the same 7802. Then here came 1Z43, the 1347 Redden to Fort William Blue Pullman, 43s 046 and 055. Then came 4S43, delay 1337, turn up at 1443, Daventry to Mossend with the last two 88s at the time on DRS intermodals, and it was 88s 002 and 008 that had the honours. Then was 4M30, delayed 1318, turn up at 1422, Grangemouth to Daventry with the Rail Riders 66175. Then this is 6 Echo 32, delay 1331, turn up at 1445, Mossend PD Stirling to Hunslet Tilcon with 66701. Then seconds later, here came 4S45, the 1448 diverting North Blyth to Fort William Alcan tanks with 66741. And then the last catch here came in the form of 4MO1, 1512 Mossend PD Sterling to Carlisle NY with 66789. Then on the 24th we would go to Bo'ness to see what was supposed to be the last run on 37067, however it was not to be, but here it is anyway on the 1500 diesel departure off of Bo'ness. Then finally, to round out the month, we would go to Blackfrord on the 30th, where we would first see 4A13, 1344 Grangemouth to Aberdeen Craiginches with 68005. Then soon after was 6R38, 1442 Aberdeen Waterloo to Irvine Caledonian Paper with 7810. Then my last catch of the month would be 1 Quebec 77, 1458 Mossend to Inverness PLPR test train with 37219 and 610.